Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2012 Bowman Hobby Box break. There are about 4 or 5 teams that didn't sell, but didn't want to waste any more time since it's already been 3 days since the first auctions ended. I'm pretty excited about this. This has been a pretty big, hot product this week. So we've got 24 packs, 10 cards a pack. This one's gonna be a long one. Tim Lincecum, Leonis Martin, Ariel Pena, Greg Bird, Jeremy Hellickson Gold. I don't think those are numbered. They are not. Evan Longoria International, Danny Holtzen, Mario Yepes. That's Holtzen's first spelling, yeah. Ricky Weeks, Michael Young. Adjust this down just a little. Andrew McCutcheon, Michael Morse, D. Gordon, Eric Arce, Ubaldo Jimenez, Tim Lincecum, Bowman's Best, Zach Walters, Mario Richard, Alex Gordon, Josh Johnson. Yeah, some of these prospects, it's going to be the first time I've seen them, so bear with me on the names if they're not the big name guys. David Freese, Johnny Cueto, Jose Campos, Jose Vinicio, Ian Kinsler, Rafael Ortega, Jacob Anderson, Giancarlo Stanton, Yunel Escobar, Kevin Youkilis. Colin Cowgill, Miguel Cabrera, Joe Benson, Luis Heredia, Joe Ross, Matt Kemp, Edward Cabrera, Garrett Cole, Nick Swisher, Anibal Sanchez. Sorry. I had to intervene in a cat quarrel before he escalated. Alex Avila, Tommy Hansen, Rookie Davis. Is that really his name? Given name is William Theron. Rookie Davis. Brett Krill, Adrian Gonzalez, and a Silver Ice, which I don't think are numbered. Ian Kennedy. Those are cool looking cards, though. Brandon Drury, Jesus Galindo, Ben Revere, Brett Pill. Devin Mesoraco, Carlos Gonzalez, Chris Rierick, Cliff Lee, Joe Panic, Jackie Bradley Jr., I'm sorry. Some of these are kind of hard to read, too. Tim Cressy, Colby Rasmus, Matt Latos, Neftali Feliz. Jaime Garcia, John Danks, Kyrell Hudson, Joseph Staley, Niger Morgan, Ian Gak, Drew Hutchison, Gio Gonzalez, Yu Darvish, Ryan Vogelsong. Adron Chambers, Clay Buchholz, Heath Bell, Brian Brickhouse, Julio Rodriguez, Yadier Molina, Dylan Maples, Jabari Blash, Dan Ugla, Carlos Santana. Yeah, the writing's so small on the prospect cards. They're not easy to read. Michael Fears, Zach Greinke, Brandon Jacobs, Claudio Custodio, Dellin Betances, Myrick Richard, which I believe those are numbered out of 250. Kez Carter, Adam Duvall, Carlos Ruiz, David Price. Tim Hudson, Howie Kendrick, Nick Kingham, Todd Helton, Zach Walters Gold, numbered out to 50. So a nice little piece of color there. Ariel Pena, Joseph Staley, Jordan Pacheco, Mark Teixeira, Jordan Walden. Oh, some advertisement for a Topps app, it appears. Matt Holliday, Chipper Jones, Taylor Whittington, Anthony Fernandez, Liam Hendricks, Kyrell Hudson, Jake Marisnick, David Ortiz, Jason Worth, Adam Jones. Another one of those advertisements for the Topps Pennant iPhone app. Do you ask it questions? Is it like Siri, but with baseball stuff? Alex Liddy, Sean Markham, Danny Holtzen, Tyler Collins, Mike Napoli, Daniel Norris, Chris Rierick, Aramis Ramirez, Mike Moustakas, Trevor Cahill. Brandon McCarthy, Felix Hernandez, Jacoby Ellsbury, Dean Green, Addison Reed. Wait, that didn't stick, did it? No. Manny Banuelos, Bowman's Best, Brennan Smith, Casey Lawrence, Brett Lowry, Eric Burkamp. Nelson Cruz, Robinson Cano, Justin Nicolino, J.R. Graham, Pablo Sandoval, Prince Fielder International, Dylan Howard, Nathan Freeman, I think that's how you say that guy's name. CC Sabathia's next. Sorry, I had to itch my eye. Mariano Rivera. Michael Bourne, John Axford, Dan Herron, Jacob Anderson, Tim Krabby, Mark Trumbo, Josh Bell, Michael Brady, Michael Pineda, Royalswald. Desmond Jennings, Matt Joyce, Boone Whitting, Emilio King, Adam Wainwright, Carlos Ruiz Blue, numbered out of 500, Nick Castellanos, Rookie Davis, Giovanni Soto, Vance Worley. Ted Lilly, Victor Martinez, Brandon Drury, Chelsea Cuthbert, Derek Jeter Gold, Josh Hamilton Blue, Boone Whitting, Jonathan Birdie, Chris Young, Ichiro. Jason Hayward, Torrey Hunter, Clayton Kershaw, Jeimer Candelario, Madison Bumgarner, and there's the auto. It's a refractor, Rookie Davis for the Yankees. So, none of the big names, but Michael Gonzalez, Casey Heather? It's almost like Heather, but with an, I don't know. It's a weird name. Dustin Pedroia, Alexia Gondo. Corey Lubke, Brian McCann, Brandon Morrow, Brandon Brown, Jonathan Galvez, Ben Zobrist, J.R. Graham, Austin Hedges, Adam Lind, Jose Bautista. Lucas Duda, Alan Craig, Carlos Martinez, Jose Osuna, Jose Reyes, Charlie Tilson, Carlos Martinez, Tom Malone, Matt Dominguez, Johnny Peralta. Chris Carpenter, Ryan Braun, Josh Beckett, Nick Delmonico, Brad Peacock, Starling Marte, Bowman's Best, Jose Osuna, Anthony Rendon, Martin Prado, Brian Wilson. Ike Davis, Todd Helton, Oscar Tavares, Greg Billow, oh, there's a card behind there, Salvador Perez, Kyle Simon, Oscar Tavares, Albert Pujols, J.J. Hardy, Billy Butler. Derek Jeter, Cliff Lee, Niger Morgan, Nick Castellanos, Adonis Cardona, Melky Cabrera, Philip Wunderlich, Luis Heredia, Justin Verlander, David Wright. Yadier Molina, Dellin Betances, Levi Michael, Mario Yepes, Michael Taylor, Robbie Price, International, Jonathan Galvez, Chesler Cuthbert, Mike Napoli, and Addison Reed. So not the greatest box, but there was a gold refractor somewhere. There it is. Pop that out too. I got a case breakup of this. There are 12 teams left for, and the case is sitting right over there. So check that out. I'm taking offers. Can't go down too far because I just lost it on the Bowman Chrome case break I did from last year. But check that out. There's also a jumbo fixed price Bowman box break that we'll be doing. I'll put another one of these up for the weekend along with a tier 1, which we got a phenomenal pull out of last time. But here's the hits: the Zach Walters gold refractor and the Rookie Davis refractor auto. So thanks for your bids, and I'm in the middle of getting everything sent out, so I'm going to work hard here in the next couple days to really try to get everything out. But thanks again.